Hello everyone, it is Chloe here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very special one. Today's video is in honor of Pride Month, so happy Pride Month everyone. I'm obviously doing this tutorial for you guys today. I know a lot of YouTubers and beauty influencers do something like this for Pride Month, but I've never done it before, so I thought I'd join on the bandwagon and I am obsessed with it. I love this so much. I support everyone, I love everyone, and I just wanted to make this video for you guys, so this is for everyone in the LGBTQ plus community. Obviously you are valid, you have people around you that love you, I love you. I'm always here to talk to you guys, so if you need anyone, a shoulder, whatever, just contact me, it's fine. Instagram, whatever, do your shit. I will always be here to welcome you. I'm obviously a straight female. I'm not a part of it, but I am a very big supporter. That is why I'm doing this tutorial, because I support them. I love them. I just want to give a big shout out to Dylan and Kira. I love you so much. Obviously you guys are probably going to watch this eventually. You guys are very busy people, but I love you guys so much. This is dedicated to you guys. I love you so much. I miss you both so much. You guys are just, you have confidence oozing out of you, and you're an inspiration to many people, and I love you guys so much. So that is for you guys, or this look is for you guys. Surprise. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know that this video is for them, but also for everyone in the community. You have a voice, you are loved, you are welcomed. I'm so humbled to know some people in the community, like I said with Dylan and Kira, so I'm just, I love them so much, and there's floof everywhere. I just really liked making this tutorial. So obviously I did red, orange and yellow on this side, green, blue and purple. I got confused with the colours. On this side's a bit crappy, so I do apologise for that. This video is for you guys and I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. I love you guys very much. Just be yourselves, you have a voice, speak up and just be yourselves. Love each other, love someone, love yourself, do what you want, okay? Just spread some love, obviously stay positive. And yeah, okay, I love you guys so much, and this tutorial is for you. Enjoy! So the two palettes I'll be using today are the Morphe 12P, which looks like this. I think everyone that loves colour probably has this palette. And I'm also going to be using a bit of the Zulu palette by Juvias Place. I'm going to use a mixture of these. Yeah, I'm just going to use these two and hope for the best, because I'm really scared. Hopefully it turns out good, because I don't know if it's going to turn out good whatsoever. Okay, so I do want to do some tape, but I think I might just use the tape for the eyeliner, not the actual eyeshadow, just because, I don't know, I feel like it doesn't need to be done. So I am going to use tape, but just for the eyeliner, so just to keep that in mind. So obviously by the start of this, like the introduction of this, you know how it turns out. But I want to do like 3 colours on one, 3 on the other, because I feel like if I did the 6 colours on one eye, I would absolutely shit to myself, because that shit is so hard. If you've done that, props to you, because I don't know how to, okay? So I'm going to do red, orange and yellow on one, and blue, green and purple on the other. So it's probably going to go in this direction. You can obviously do it in whatever direction you please, but I'm going to do red, orange, yellow. Is it green, blue or blue, green? I think it's green, blue. I'll check that. I think I might start on the outer corner and work inwards, just because that's kind of easier. So we're going to start with some red. So for the red, I'm going to use the 12P, because the Juvias Place palette doesn't really have a pure red, whereas this one does. So I'm just going to grab the red on an angled brush, because I am working on the outer portion of my eyeball. So I'm just going to pack this on and obviously go into the crease and onto my lid as well. I did want to originally kind of do like a white lid, but I just thought, why not like white? So I'm just going to put the colours on my eyelid as well. So I just kind of want to line where the colours are going, so I'm going to do that first, then like pack on the colour. So we're going to now use a bit of orange. I love orange, if you know that. I love orange, oh my god. So I'm going to use the orange in the Zulu palette, which I've used in a tutorial before. I think it was the worst one I ever did, but I'm going to use this orange because it is beautiful. And put that in the centre. I'm basically just having a guideline, as I said. And then I'm going to fix it up and blend it all. Do all that shit, okay? So now I'm going to get some of the yellow, which I think I'm going to use a Zulu one just because it's a bit more pigmented than the Morphe. If I keep looking down, my stuff's right here, so I do apologise for that. But I'm going to grab a bit of the yellow and put that in the inner corner. So that's basically my guideline. Now I'm going to speed this part up because I'm going to pack on some eyeshadow, blend them together, do all that shit, and basically hope for the best, and then I'll go into the other eye. So it's actually pretty easy. It's just very time consuming because you have to keep packing the colour, blending them, and all that shit. So I'm going to obviously speed this part up because this is going to take a long time. Okay guys, so that took a little bit longer than I expected, but there's a bit of fallout, so I'm going to clean that up in a bit, but I think that's pretty good. The yellow was doing some shit that I didn't want it to do, but overall I think that's a pretty nice gradient. I can obviously fix it up once I do the eyeliner, but overall I think it's pretty good. To blend out the top of the eyeshadow, I just used a bit of the white and a fluffy brush and just obviously blended that out so there wasn't harsh lines and shit. But oh my god, I'm pretty proud of that. So now I'm going to get this fallout off my face and basically go on to the other eye. Is it blue green or green blue? What are the colours of the rainbow in order?
Here's what I found on the web for what are the colours of the rainbow in order.
You meant to tell me, I don't have to go on. Okay, it's green blue. I thought so. So it's green blue. Did I just say green blue? I think I just said green blue, right? Green blue. Okay. Green. What is wrong with me? I don't know. Okay, so for this eye, I'm going to go green, blue, purple because obviously going that way. So for the green, I'm going to use this lighter green, but if I need to deepen it up, I will use the darker green. And then for the blue, I'm going to use the same palette. And then for the purple, I'm going to use the Zulu. So I'm basically just going to speed this up because I'm going to do the exact same thing I did here, map it out, and then pack the colour? What the hell is a colour? Pack the colour on, etc, etc. So I'm going to do that right now. This is honestly really fun. So guys, I'm pretty happy with this. This has a bit I'm gonna put eyeliner on and fix it, but overall I'm really happy with this. Oh my god. I'm gonna clean this fallout out, put some tape on, and then we can do some eyeliner. Okay guys, so I look a bit weird because like the tape's actually going on my eyeball, so I'm gonna do this really quickly. But the eyeliner I'm gonna be using is Weirdo by Jeffree Stylist. It's liquid lipstick obviously, but this is the best eyeliner because it's matte, it's cruelty free, it's vegan, and it's eye safe. So if anyone's wondering, if I wear colourful eyeliner, this is the brand because it's eye safe. So I'm just gonna put a bit of this on the back of my hand. Obviously it's going to be speed up because I can't talk during this whatsoever. If I get cut off with the mirror, I do apologise also, but let's do this, shall we? One down, one to go. Okay guys, so I just did my eyeliner. This eye is not too good, but this eye's great, but it's fine. I'm going to put on some eyelashes. So mascara, like always, is going to be the Too Faced Better Than Sex, but first I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Okay, so I'm going to do my lashes off camera. They're my usual little spidery ones. So I'm going to do them off camera and come back to you guys so we can start the face. Hey guys, so my lashes are on. I don't know what, like, it looks a bit different, I don't know. But they're brand new, so if they look a bit shitty, I'm just going to blame the fact that they're brand new eyelashes. Okay, so for foundation today, I'm just going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in 110 Porcelain. Now, so I'm just going to put that all over my face with a flat shader brush. And then I'm going to blend it in with a flat foundation brush. And then blend it in fully with a beauty blender. I just feel like that works a bit more. That's going to come in now. Yeah.
Oh my god, what have you done?
Nothing. Do you like the colours?
Yes, you look like a clown though.
I haven't blended it, Dad.
Okay.
It's rude. I love you.
See you tomorrow.
Probably, yeah. Are you right? Love you. Okay, so now I'm just going to use a flat shade brush and it's blending out a little bit, and then I'm going to thoroughly blend it in with a beauty blender. I look crazy right now. Now I'm going to get my beauty blender and I'm just going to blend the rest of this foundation. I do have excess on my hand if I do need it, which I kind of do on this cheek because the red is coming through today. Okay, thank you. Okay, I think that's kind of good. I look very, very pale, I know. It's my life, okay? I'm sorry. I'm a pale girl. Now I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Fairest. And I'm just going to put that on the high points of my face, so under my eyebrows. I don't know what is happening outside. I do apologise. Like so. Okay. I'm going to use the beauty blender and just blend that all out. For my powder today, I'm going to be using the Airspun Loose Face Powder by Coty, I think it is. I'm going to bake with this and also set the whole face with this as well. Okay, so right now my foundation concealer are on. Now I'm going to do my contour and stuff. But I'm going to take a break and have some dinner, so I'll be back in like half an hour. I know in editing time it's going to be like a millisecond, but still. Wow, I'm so annoying. Okay. So now I'm back from dinner. I'm a bit cuckoo. Don't ask me why, but I'm back. Okay, hi. I'm going to do my lower lash line real quick. Just so the eyes are completely done. And then I'm going to obviously contour and all that shit. So, yeah. Feel I have to do the same, right? Like, I have to do that. That's going to be so annoying. Holy shit. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What am I doing? Okay. Oh my god, I'm actually gone insane. That looks so much better. Yes. So my eyes are completely done now, so I'm going to move on to the face. So for contour, I'm going to use the Designer Brands Contour Kit. Obviously I'm going to use step 2, which is the contour shade. I'm going to chill out those cheekbones. So now to bronze, I guess, because I didn't really contour that much. I want to focus on bronzing. I'm going to use my KARDASHIAN Beauty like always. You know the drill. For highlighter, I'm going to use Ice Cold by Jeffree Star, just because I feel like a white highlighter will be good because there's so much going on. And because I'm pale as shit, so I'm also going to take it above the brow just because it's extra. It's Pride Month. Let's be extra. So just before before I go ahead and do my lips, I'm going to set my entire face because there's a lot of powder on this face right now. So now for the final step, I'm going to do some lips. I'm just going to go nude just because I feel like if I did anything else, it would just ruin the look. So I'm using the Celebrity Skin Liquid Lipstick from Jeffree Star. Did you ever expect me to wear anything else? Oh, I love this so much. Oh my god. Okay guys, and that is the finished look that I've created. Yay! Okay everyone, that is the end of this Pride LGBTQ plus tutorial thingy mabob, whatever you want to call it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video very, very much. When I started doing it, I was shitting myself. I was like, oh my god, like this is going to go wrong. But it turned out pretty good, so I'm very, very excited to upload this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I also just wanted to say, I didn't say it in the start of this video, if you aren't a supporter of the LGBTQ, there's so many letters, community, I don't know why you clicked on this video, but if you are, do not leave hate below. Just click out of the video, go to a different video, do your own thing. This is obviously a hate-free zone. Okay, listen, it's a hate-free zone. So if you don't like it, you can, you know, go over that way or that way, whatever the way the cross is. Just click it out, okay? Click out of it, mate, okay? And just leave. Like, there's no point of giving hate, okay? Just thought I'd give that clarification after the video. I don't know why I said that not in the start of the video. I'm an idiot. All my social media links and all the products I use will be down below. Like always, remember to spread love and stay positive. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you all very, very, very much.